Okay, so today we're going to be working on a tractor. Bought a toothbar for it. Actually, got a pretty good deal on that. It was 150 bucks, brand new. There's a dealership that went down and they were just selling off inventory. But so with the Oklahoma dirt the way it is and the clay, it's real hard, compact. So I was definitely needing this toothbar. So I'm going to show you how to, at least how I install it. And then I'm also going to do a review on the Harbor Freight like big bit deal. It was there's 8 bits in there, and it was I think 30 bucks, $29.99. Anyway, so what I did first was I grabbed the toothbar, put it up on here, centered it even, like from the lip of the bucket to the tip of the tooth on both sides. That way it's in there as even as possible. And then there's a little slotted hole right there, and they have it to where if you put, let's see, if you put the bolt right here, theoretically you can pull this forward and tilt it up without having to remove it. But I figure if I gotta loosen up that bolt anyways, it's easy enough just to take it out, get it out of the way. So I'm going to put it back here, and that's going to make sure it can't go forward. Okay, so I stuck that on there. I painted it and then I scribed around it. Then I put this bolt up here and then scribed around the bolt and found the center of that. I did a what is that, 5/16. Anyways, it don't matter, you can just do whatever pilot hole you want to. Did a pilot hole there. Then I came in with this 9/16 Harbor Freight bit, and then I'm finishing it off with 3/4 inch Harbor Freight bit. So let's get after it. And it's hot. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, maybe 10, and it's humid too, but it's probably already 80 something degrees, so enough of my wanting. This drill I bought whenever I was about, I don't even remember, maybe 13. So we can get a close up. Or a closer up. I think we're almost through. Uh-oh. Just had to say something. Uh-oh. This might be the end of this drill. Ready? I was actually using it. My Craftsman cordless drill. Can you see that? Oh, it's close up. Anyways. Voila. And clean off those burrs. Stick that bad boy in there. We're good to go. Alright. I get the best I can. And then let's see. Oh yeah, do as I do, not as I say. Don't forget your safety glasses. Oops. You gotta plug it in. Oh yeah, when making your hole, your pilot hole, use a punch like that. It works really good. Saves a lot of time. Alright. This is a very tight fit. Your washer on the outside. Like that. Run it up real tight on both ends. And bada bing, bada bang. Got toothbar installed. So, anyways, comment, rate. If you don't like it, cool.